Santosh.
For the grand opening of this showroom, शोरूमाचो ओनर मिस्टर संतोष आणि Xiaomiचो डीलर बाब अमित पकले ह्या दोगांयकूय हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स करता, कारण ताणें नवीन शोरूम ओपन केला आणि Xiaomiची नवीन एजन्सी ही बाब अमित पकलेन गोंयांत हाडल्या. आमी पळयता की फाटले फावटी एक एजन्सी तेज्या हातान गेल्या उपरांत इज व्हेरी मच डिस्टर्ब. हांवें ताका सांगलें एक एजन्सी गेली म्हणून काय हरकत ना, तूं नवीन एजन्सी खातीर ट्राय कर. सो ताणें तशें म्हटलें की आपूण नवीन एजन्सी हाडपाक शकलो. डेफिनेटली द Xiaomi कंपनी तो आतांच इन शॉर्ट स्पॅन ऑफ टायम म्हाका सांगतालो की ऑल एडिजन मेक इन इंडिया, ऑल प्रॉडक्ट विच इज मेड इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया ह्या कन्सेप्टाच्या सकयल तांच्यांनी सुरू केला. म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ गुड स्कोप फॉर ऑल द प्रॉडक्ट. डेफिनेटली ताजो नवीन शोरूम जो आसा हाज्या खातीर सगळे जाण हांगासर आयिल्ले आसा. म्हजे बेस्ट विशीस ताका आणि नवीन नवीन ताजे कडले प्रॉडक्ट्स ताका बरे कस्टमर मेळूं हें देवा लागीं मागता. आणि नक्कीच अमित पकलेची नवीन एजन्सी घेतल्या आनीकूय बी गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या सिटींनी ताका ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळून ताजे Xiaomiचे प्रॉडक्ट्स जे आसा रोखडेच सगळ्याक आमी जेका म्हणटा की सगळे वेल नोन जातले आनी ताका बऱ्यापैकी मार्केट गोंयांत अवेलेबल जावचें. Once again, congratulations for Mr. Santosh and congratulations once again for Mr. Amit Pakle. Thank you. One and all.
I am the distributor of MI in Goa. He is a company person Shantesh and Santosh ji, who is our franchisee for the Goa store. We have come up with an innovative concept. MI is a concept about innovation for everyone. So the company has got a formula which is they are innovating not only for the classes, they are innovating for everybody. So everybody can afford to buy best quality products at honest prices. This is the philosophy of our company. So we are having products, everything is smart. So we are the number one mobile phone brand in India for the last 8 quarters. We are the number one LED brand for the last 4 quarters. We are the number one accessory brand in India. We are the number one brand for, basically innovation is what MI is doing at a great price. We have just come out with a range of products like a hair trimmer, like a beard trimmer for men. We have come out with sunglasses, Polaroid sunglasses which are scratch resistant. So everything, company is doing everything to who the consumer who wants value for money at a great price, great quality. So the range of products, all our smartphones are number one. Everything is high quality at the best price. This is what MI is all about. So we would love everybody to come to our store in Porvorim. We are opening 2 more stores today, one in Ponda and one in Margao. Come and experience the store, experience the products, and maybe you can buy the best quality product available in India. Also, we are in the process of opening up about 25 stores in Goa, exclusive outlets in Goa. 7 are in the pipeline. In the next 1 month, we will be opening 7 more stores in Goa, all over Goa, in different parts of Goa. And in the next 1 year, we'll have about 25 active online stores. Apart from that, we have multi-brand outlets who are also a part of the MI brand. So we are an inclusive company which wants to include every section of the customer.